Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 30C, this version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. Okay, we have protected back cover in completion, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Okay. 120 Hz 6.67 inch display, 4 years plus lasting fluency, dual symmetrical speakers, 5000 mAh battery and 1000 charge cycles. We have NFC. Okay. Big camera on the back side, double camera, on this side power button and warm buttons, on this side slot for SIM cards. Turn on device, we have display IPS, HD resolution, HD plus resolution, and open settings. About phone, we have iOS version 14.5.0, Android 14, okay, close this. GPU Mali, we have MediaTek Helio G81 is CPU and GPU Mali G52. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, CPU test and GPU test results. Okay, look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.